Dwarakadas Govardhan Das Vaishnav College, a premier institute established in the year 1964, a college with the sole purpose of imparting knowledge and value-based education.
The Department of Business Administration (BBA) inaugurated in the year 1991 with the aim of providing conducive ambience for learning management and career-oriented subjects, keeping in view the changing trends in education. When the college attained autonomous status in the year 2009, the department introduced innovative and modernized the syllabus to meet the expectations of the ever-changing industry.
The University of Madras in the year 2020 sanctioned an additional section to our existing 3. With added numbers and talents, our department will achieve greater heights in the days to come. Our department boasts a list of distinguished alumni who are all placed at esteemed organizations across various fields. However, the cherry on the cake is the number of entrepreneurs produced by the department. This led to the best minds in the department to curate an exclusive specialization, family business management, catering to the needs of budding entrepreneurs. Value-added courses offered by the department in collaboration with reputed third-party institutions throughout various stages of the degree has added immense credit to their resume. The department arranges interactions with experts from in and around the industry across various fields at regular intervals. The SSR, Student Social Responsibility Cell, has instilled a sense of social focus and accountability in our students.
In the words of Malcolm X, education is the passport to the future, but tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. We are thrilled to proclaim that our department has the best faculties providing top-class education to all the students who walk their halls. Along with the standard specializations such as HR and marketing, the department also offers exclusive specializations in family business management and media management. Certificate courses such as GST, Innovation and Creativity in Business, E-Entrepreneurship and Logistics helps us keep abreast with this competitive industry. Our students across all 3 years are encouraged to present and publish research papers in premier institutes with the help of our able and experienced faculties. Our students are not only mentored by exclusive faculties assigned to them, but they are also provided opportunities to interact with professionals from the industry through workshops, training, and internships who mentor and guide them towards success. Training of equipped faculties and avant-garde computer lab installed with updated softwares and programs, our students will be able to compete in this machine-addled industry. An annual industrial visit across the country serves as not only an exposure to the inner workings of the industry, but also encourages camaraderie amongst the students.
The department conducts 2 intercollegiate, national-level flagship events. The former is a management event cum cultural extravaganza to nurture the entrepreneurial and management skills of the student, and also to provide platform for the students to showcase their talents with a competitive spirit. Approximately 8 competitions with cash prizes are conducted throughout a 2-day event. Plata Makutsav is an intercollegiate marketing fest which witnesses specialist speakers from the marketing field sharing their 2 cents as well as judging various marketing related events.
Agripreneurship, a novel attempt by the department, is an inspiring event which invites students to return to our roots. Agriculture, the primary occupation of our country and the backbone of the economy, is in a dire situation that needs to be treasured and safeguarded. By this venture, the students of our department have adopted a piece of land, a land that will be seeded, nurtured, watered and harvested by them. The department also has a women's cell which empowers our female warriors towards victory.
The department has a strong sports and cultural committee that regularly yields awards, the members of which participate and win awards in events conducted not just in the college but across colleges and cities.
The pride of our department is the Social Responsibility Cell (SSR), which fosters the social culture in the students. The cell has regularly conducted the show-stopping event of the department, NEENEE, Necessities for the Needy, which serves the underprivileged and the worthy sections of our society. The 6 phases of the program was dedicated to various people in need such as folk dancers, janitorial staffs of this college, abandoned elderly, and the street dwellers. We are in pursuit of isolating people in need of a helping hand and are committed towards working for the cause.
The department in recent times has been featured in various newspapers for its social focus and also enterprising events. We also publish an annual magazine named Epitome and newsletters at regular intervals. The department has an active website and handles across various social media platforms to bridge the communication barriers. Team BBA will continuously strive to facilitate students for developing life skills and carve them out to be an ethically, socially, and morally responsible entrepreneurs.